Welcome back to another episode of Styled by Zulily, where we show you how to work your wardrobe. I'm Jennifer, and today we're talking tailgate trends. Show your spirit from the couch or the bleachers in sporty styles perfect for game days. For chilly days, style your look with some sneakers, leggings, and your favorite hoodie. Top it off with a festive beanie for an extra splash of spirit. Get ready for transitional weather and tap into the layer craze with a vest. Totally trendy and versatile, this stellar piece is a must for any game day wardrobe. Tailgating in warm weather doesn't mean melting under layers of team colors. Pair denim with a classic tee and knot it in the front for winning style. No matter the weather, we hope these tips and tricks pump you up to be the trendsetter of the tailgate. Thanks for watching. Remember to share your outfits using #StyledByZulily and stay tuned for more styling tips.